YouTube is allowing others to make fake pages of me with my name and picture. It is really frustrating, guys. So always be sure to click on my profile to check if the page is real. You can tell if my subscriber and video count is there. Do not give anyone your personal information or payment. I will never ask for payment or personal information. All payments will only be made on my website if you purchase a product. That is the only time payment is done with you guys. Please don't respond to anyone saying it's me in the comments or to random emails. Please be aware. Please, this is really out of hand. I'm trying to get the bottom of this with YouTube. So if you can, just be aware. Thanks, guys. Hey, are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss? Hey everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to survive without credit. This is a topic that I just want to go over and let you guys know how to survive without credit. So if you're interested, stay tuned. In the midst of challenging financial circumstances such as pandemics, or if you recently had to file bankruptcy, you may have to survive without access to credit. Life is certainly easier when you have a credit card and access to loans. Living without credit requires a higher degree of creativity, but there's almost always a workable option. In this video, we'll go over what you can do. How to find a place to live is certainly something that we all have to try to do, especially during these times. And if you don't have credit, there are ways to find a place to live. Most apartment complexes, they do require you to have credit to apply. Those nice apartment complexes might not be willing to rent to you. Fortunately, there are many smaller apartment buildings and rental homes available with landlords that will never check your credit. So this is kind of a grind that you have to just, when you're looking for a place to live, ask them, hey, do you do credit checks? And some of them are in ads. They even say, no credit check, just you may have to pay a double deposit. So you can have a place to live without credit. Again, like I said, it may take more work to find the right situation, but there is someone out there dying to rent their property to anyone that could pay the deposit in the first month's rent. So you can find a place to live without having good credit. How to buy a car. So most cars today can reach up to 200,000 miles without a lot of drama or a lot of work. However, a $500 car with 150 miles on it could last another 4 years with the minimum expense. So it's a gamble, guys. But the odds are in your favor. Now, if you're trying to survive without credit and you're trying to drive a car without credit, then this is kind of where you may have an option to find something like that, right? Where you can find a car that you purchased from someone, or you can find a car at many independent car lots will sell you a used car on a weekly payment. These payments are relatively high, and the price of the car is high, of course, and the interest rate is high, but it's an option. You gotta pay to play, you gotta pay to live, and this is why credit is important. But if you're looking to make these purchases without credit, then you're kind of looking at these type of options. How to get a great job without credit. You can get a great job without credit. While many employers do run credit checks, a lot of people don't know this, but a lot of employers do run credit checks. They do it when they do background checks, and they do have your information. They will let you know, if we do run a credit check, that you can actually request a free credit report to you. So if you do read the fine print when you're applying for a job, you'll run into this. But it doesn't really matter in most cases, though. They just want to run your credit check. But if you're in the financial industry and you're going to be handling money, then you might be out of luck, right? They want to check that type of financial history that you may have, and if you do have a bad credit score and you are in a lot of debt, will you be a higher risk, to them because you're handling money? Who knows what type of risk a person will go to those type of measures when handling money. So they just want to make sure they have the right person handling their finances. However, the vast majority of non-professional and professional positions do not have credit requirements. You can get a great job having no credit check. It just depends on what industry you're in. So, helpful tips. There are so many people report credit that an entire industry has developed to address these needs, okay? There are plenty of businesses willing to sell you a car, a house, and provide a loan with very low credit requirements. Always remember there are options out there for you. Just remember that you do have to take care of that so that when you do get these options, take advantage of them, yes, but make sure you be responsible so that you can get yourself out of this situation. The price and interest rates you pay are high, but there is often credit available provided when you have a job. So if you can verify that you have a job, then you're going to get better rates, you're going to get better options because now they see that you're reliable and then you can pay them back based off your salary and your income. So another thing is it's more important than ever to start an emergency fund, especially during these times at the pandemic. Many people rely on credit cards for financial emergencies, which is okay, but you want to get ahead of the game. As we're in this pandemic, credit card companies are being very, very limited to what they are giving out to their consumers. They're even cutting back on credit limits. So start an emergency fund if you can. Learn how to start an emergency fund. I will give some extra tips on that in future videos. You may not have that option right now, but you can begin building a savings account to handle the inevitable financial hiccups that can occur. So this is very important to stay on top of your game so that you will not be out there looking crazy or having to go through a very bad financial mishaps. You always want to be prepared, especially during these times. So I hope this is beneficial to you guys, and I hope that I helped you learn more on how to survive without credit. Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry, hurry. Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on OnlyFans, where we discuss tips and hacks that we can't post on YouTube at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at designer soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.